welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video, I'm going to take you for a quick garden tour. We have some storms coming, and it may not seem like it, but the temperatures went up, the humidity, and on the weather radar, it's stating that we're going to get some pretty good storms. But I just thought I'd bring you along and show you what's been going on in the garden. Things are starting to pop up. So I'm going to turn you around and we'll take a little stroll. The lettuce up here is finally doing something. This one is still struggling, but I think after this heavy rains that we get, it'll do good. I've been watering it, but you don't want to waterlog it either. So we'll go out here. We have this cottonwoods flying around. The storms will help take care of that too. We're still struggling with the blueberries. But we're checking the soil pH like every other day, every 2 or 3 days. This one still looks really good. The asparagus, it's thriving. I mean, my husband had trimmed it, but it's still got little shoots that are coming out and they're doing their thing. Now the other one, we're assuming they're probably all dead. But we're just gonna let it be. If nothing comes up, then we will go to the nursery this time and get more asparagus to fill this side. The beans, I had gone over it with you. I had to replant because we had some frost and they're just now starting to come up. I was out here yesterday, there was nothing, but as you can see, I've got the seeds that I had replanted are coming up. These here are looking a lot better. This one here doesn't look the greatest, but I probably should have taken him. This one I thought I should have probably taken too, but I decided to leave it and it's growing out new growth, so that's good. But yep, I've got a lot of new growth. You'll see a couple of seeds because I put 2 to 3 seeds in each little mound, and I'm going to keep the healthiest one. So that's all doing good. The cherry tomatoes, they're doing awesome. And over here you can see where I had planted the beans as well. They're starting to pick up or pop up. Peas are finally starting to grab a hold. It's always so funny. Try to get them trained. You know, you can move them. Let's see, this one grabbed a hold underneath, so we'll just let that be. I don't want to disturb it. Lettuce is still taking its good old sweet time. I did thin out what I could, but I didn't want to pull up good ones, you know. Radishes are doing great. More peas. These potatoes are doing extremely well. These are the fingerling potatoes. I had put more dirt in it. I remounded. They're all looking really good. Don't have any potato bugs as far as I can see. We looked yesterday. You want to try and look every day because all of a sudden these things just show up. These potatoes have just gone hog wild. These were the Yukon potatoes. I'm hoping, you know, they look great up above the ground. What I want is product under the ground. So I'm hoping this all goes good. I'm pretty sure that I used some fish fertilizer. It was a liquid. Oh, it was horrible. Smelled absolutely horrible. But I did treat all of these beds with that, so I'm thinking that's probably why they're taking off so good. The potatoes over here are looking really good. My poor little flower plants, they're struggling, but they're surviving. I didn't have any more of these red ones that were climbing from last year, but I did replant a whole bunch of morning glories. These are the older ones. They're still surviving. And the newer seeds that I planted haven't come up yet. These wildflowers, they're still taking their good old sweet time, but eventually they'll get up there. And I did plant some more seeds up along here, so we'll see if they take hold. And this tree is still doing absolutely wonderful. My husband put fertilizer stakes in, and that was the trick, people. You know, I'm not a greatest person on plants and trees and that, but it loved those fertilizer stakes. All right, so that is the quick update of the garden out here. Like I said, we have storms coming. You really can't tell. I mean, it is kind of cloudy, but the wind has picked up. The temperature's picked up as well. It's about 80 degrees out right now. It is extremely breezy, but yep, that is it for today's garden tour. We did move our bird feeder a little closer to the house so we could keep a better eye on it from them squirrels. It has helped some. We get the blackbirds that have a little red spot on their wings. They tend to sit here and gorge, but at least it's not the squirrels. And we had one affiliated come, so they found where the seed and the suet was. But those blackbirds, they do a number on the suet. So I told my husband, I said, let's hold off on the suet here for a little bit. And we'll just keep putting bird seed in there, keeping an eye to make sure those squirrels stay away. So I'm going to end this video. It was just a really quick garden update. We're in the second week of June, I want to say. So everything, it's going slow, but it's going, except for those potatoes. They really took off. And then if you've been following me for a little while, you know that we've had some issues with appliances. We had to put in a new water heater. We had to replace our upright freezer. Our TV went out. And then we had to get a new TV cabinet to hold the new TV because our old TV stand wouldn't hold the new TV. Then my dryer went out. So today I also have a repairman coming to look at the dryer, and we're so hoping that he can fix it because we don't have money for a dryer. I do have a clothesline. We've been utilizing it. But I don't know about any of you hanging towels on the line, and when you go to use the towels, they're not soft. They're scratchy. It's like sandpaper. So we're hoping that it's just an easy fix for the dryer. We're hoping we're done with all of our appliance replacements because it's kind of tapped us out this year. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.